Cooking Indian foods creates a lot of smoke. The smoke and oil make your kitchen dirty and smelly. Using a kitchen chimney can prevent all these. Presenting Inalsa's wide range of cooker hoods which will suit your requirements. The Inalsa cooker hoods come in pyramid or curved glass styles with attractive designs and matte finish to suit your aesthetics. You have the option to choose from 60 cm chimney size, which is ideal for 2 to 3 burner stoves, or 90 cm chimney size, which is ideal for 3 to 4 burner stoves according to your need. The chimney should be placed just above the gas stove at the height of minimum 65 cm to maximum 75 cm for best results. The motion sensor or gesture control feature lets you control the chimney without any direct physical contact. The LED lights of the chimney provides you with better visibility. You can settle the chimney speed from 2 speed options depending on your cooking. The cooker hood range comes with a suction capacity from 1050 to 1425 cubic meter per hour. Inalsa's cooker hood range has the noise level of 65 decibels. Noise level may increase when speed level increases. Inalsa chimneys come with Baffle filter, which has multiple curves that allows the smoke to escape freely while restraining the grease. It is also easier to maintain as it requires cleaning in around 3 to 4 months depending on the usage. The auto clean technology uses a heating element to eliminate oil particles inside the chimney. These particles are then collected in the oil collector tray, which is placed below. The 11-degree structure of the cooker hoods enables self-collection of extra oil and dirt in the oil collector. The stainless steel oil collector collects the grime and other residues, and cleaning this tray is absolutely hassle-free. The maintenance of the chimney is extremely easy. Just use a mild detergent for cleaning the filters. The cooker hood range comes with lifetime warranty of 5 years on the motor and 2 years on the product. Choose from a wide range of cooker hoods today.